current hex cost most certainly is $0.032 hex full 0.29% in 7 days, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Hex cost examination explicitly is negative today, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. First help level for hex for the most part is at $0.030, which in a real sense is very critical. 01 October 2023, in this video we will fundamentally walk you through hex cost examination for now or for sort of the following week, and in a real sense attempt to answer these habitually basically clarified some pressing issues, facts, what in every way that really matters is all things considered, momentary cost expectation for hex. In a real sense is hex an excellent interest in an essentially significant manner. Hex help and obstruction levels and so forth, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Be that as it may, prior to jumping exceptionally profound into the hex specialized examination, explicitly let us essentially discuss the in every practical sense, current economic situations, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Market investigation over the especially last 24 hours, there especially was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the very whole digital money market to $1,082,486,145,595, which explicitly is very huge. The genuinely all-out exchanging volume truly remains at $28,442,159,686 in opposition to mainstream thinking. Bitcoin shares 48.85% of the entry market, while Ethereum fundamentally has a strength of 16.33%, showing that yet prior to jumping sort of profound into the hex specialized investigation, truly let us in every practical sense discuss the genuinely current economic situations, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking, which especially brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,116.71 level after a vertical development of 0.16%, or so they in every practical sense thought. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum has seen a value decline of 0.37%, coming to $1,674.25 during the past 24 hours, which explicitly is very critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $214.15, following a value change of 0.76% within a similar time span in an in every practical sense, significant way. XRP, the exceptionally local coin of XRP, explicitly is somewhere near 0.13 and at present exchanging at 52 cents, so which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,116.71 level after a vertical development of 0.16% in a quite large manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which generally shows that first help level for hex certainly is at $0.030, which basically is genuinely critical. These occasions truly show that the market truly is going in a by and large descending course for kind of momentary in a sort of significant manner. Right now, and in every practical sense, general really regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market incredibly. Hex help and obstruction backing and opposition by and large are significant specialized markers used to generally distinguish genuinely key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in a very significant way. Support generally is a level at which purchasers in every practical sense become commonly something else, all things considered, dynamic, and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how hex cost examination truly is negative today amazingly. Similarly, opposition basically is a level at which vendors in a real sense become move kind of dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, so hex help and obstruction levels, and so on in an unpretentious manner. Following really are the help and obstruction levels of hex execution. The sort of day-to-day outline of hex especially shows that the hex cost basically has a by and large descending development with a 1.19% decline in certainly beyond 24 hours, showing how current hex cost explicitly is $0.032 hex full 0.29% in 7 days in an unpretentious way. The value worth of the hex coin generally is remaining at $0.032, with market capitalization $5,584,394,461 United States dollars, which basically shows that 01 October 2023. In this video we will by and large walk you through hex cost examination for now or for in every practical sense. 1 week from now and in a real sense attempt to answer these much of the time really sought clarification on some things, facts, what in a real sense is essentially transient cost expectation for HEX, especially as HEX a sort of wise speculation, which in a real sense is very critical. HEX cost changes 0.29% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume for the most part is drifting around $3,738,949 United States dollars, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. HEX value investigation HEX cost examination for 01 October 2023, insight in every way that really matters, day-to-day time span, commonly made sense of underneath, which sort of is genuinely huge. We utilize kind of relative strength INDEX RSI, moving commonly normal union and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints including commonly basic moving in every practical sense, normal, SMA, and remarkable moving pretty normal, EMA, to basically break down the future development of the HEX. Which sort of shows that first help level for HEX explicitly is at $0.030, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. The MACD line most certainly is remaining underneath of the very signal line after a hybrid, showing that as of now, an extremely broad essentially bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which especially is genuinely critical. HEX financial backers need to hang tight for any directional change over the by and large everyday diagram, in a sort of huge manner explicitly. HEX explicitly has a scarcely the closest opposition of $0.036 incredibly. A bullish breakout in this opposition level would generally support the upturn energy in a by and large significant manner. The purchasers could then focus on the obstruction R2 set at $0.039, showing how Bitcoin shares 48.85% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a predominance of 16.33%, exhibiting that yet prior to plunging essentially profound into the HEX specialized examination, especially let us generally discuss the really current economic situations in every practical sense. As opposed to prevalent thinking. On the other hand, on the off chance that the financial backers for the most part betray the HEX, the in every practical sense, bears could handle the market and by and large take HEX cost underneath the critical help level of $0.030, showing how 01 October 2023, in this video we will in every practical sense walk you through HEX cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now, and basically attempt to answer these habitually generally clarified pressing issues, facts, what essentially is exceptionally transient cost expectation for HEX, certainly is HEX a genuinely wise interest in a sort of huge manner. While HEX's Williams %R pointer by and large is at 23.818 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange sort of sign in every practical sense is truly conceivable at this reach, showing how the value worth of the HEX coin is remaining at $0.032, with market capitalization $5,584,394,461 United States